One city wants families to pay close attention to tornado sirens tomorrow. It's part of a unique study to make sure the sirens are doing their jobs. Amelia Young's live from Brentwood City Hall for us. So, Amelia, good morning. What's the city hoping to improve here?
Hey, good morning, Ben. Yeah, Brentwood is teaming up with Belmont University just to make sure that tornado sirens here in the area, there's more than a dozen, are reaching every home that they need to. It's going to add that extra layer of protection during severe weather to make sure that every family can hear them when they go off. Now, if you live in Brentwood, step outside just before 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon and take a listen for those sirens. Make sure you're paying attention to how loud or how quiet the one near your home may sound. After that test, you're asked to go online and fill out a quick survey about what you heard. Belmont researchers will then use that data to map out Brentwood's 19 sirens to see if they were strong or weak. They'll specifically be studying how the city's hills and landscape impact the sound waves and quality. The team's then going to give their findings to city leaders to make any adjustments. And this really could be a life-saving update because we know how common severe storms are here in the volunteer state. In just the past decade, Tennessee has seen more than 30 big events that caused up to $10 billion in damage. Again, those tests are happening just before 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. If you're in Brentwood, if you hear those sirens, go on our website, newschannel5.com, and you can fill out that quick survey after you take a listen.